Hi children, namaste. How are you all? Hope you are all safe and following the instructions of COVID-19. Please take care. Here I am to explain to you another beautiful and heart-touching lesson, that is the garden within. But before I discuss with you this beautiful poem written by Celia Beryl, let me ask you a few questions. What did you learn from this unit 3? Because we have completed A, B reading and they are Selfish Giant part 1 and Selfish Giant part 2. What did you learn from them? And unit 3 is talking about humanity. And from this lesson you will have to learn whether are you a good human being. Are you a good human being? If not, then this lesson helps you to become such kind. The garden within. This is the C reading title, and this lesson explains to you children about how your inside, that is your heart, consciousness, mind supposed to be, and you are supposed to cultivate your heart, mind, conscious, and so on. So please make your heart so soft and so generous. Let your heart, mind and conscious become so proactive and positive so that you become a good human being, my dear children. Is that clear? So let's get into the lesson and listen. Please keep your notes with you and write the hard words. Children, namaste. Now we are going into the lesson. Okay. We are concentrating on unit 3. We have completed A, B, that is Selfish Giant part 1 and Selfish Giant part 2. Now we're going to see C reading, the garden within. The theme of this unit 3 is humanity. That's what. In the Selfish Giant, what did we learn? You should be selfless. We must go to the other to help, to serve their needs, and so on. We should not be selfish. What we have, we must share with others. Now, the C reading is also trying to say something. The garden within. What is this? Have you seen a garden? Of course. What is a garden? Garden is a flowery plants where a lot of things are there. Mango garden. Everywhere where a land is filled with trees and blossoms and so on, we call it as a garden. But a garden within. Do you have a garden within? If not, today it is the time to plant a garden, children. It's very important. So, the garden within. The garden here means the soul within us, the mind within us, the thoughts within us, okay, the ideas within us, the love that is there in us. So, all these things we can make it, the conscious we have, the behavior that we have. So, whatever is there within us, that the poet Celia Beryl calls it as the garden. Let's get into the poem, children. There is a garden in my heart. Yes, there is a garden in my heart where beauty grows in fits and starts. Okay, right, there is a garden and that is beautiful and it comes irregularly. Yes or no? We can't be always kind. We can't be always smiling. We can't always be happy, right? So that's why it fits and starts, it comes. Our beauty of our insideness comes now and then, not regularly. Where smiles are petals from the flowers bestowed by others from their bowers. We meet many people as a tree has got petals, and these petals, when they are in greeny color, very nice color, we appreciate those plants. We love love those plants, and we go to the plants and we touch them and enjoy. Likewise, children, when our inside and outside, when we wear smiles, people who are there, they also share their love with us, they share their happiness with us, they share their smiles with us. So how you behave from inside, in the same way others also behave from their part. So when you exhibit smiles from your inside, then people also smile at you, children. Then nutritious hope reaps the seeds to feed my spirit for its every need. Yes or no, children? No, you should your hope, in your life, children, everywhere that word you must write it on your heart, in your mind, that is hope. I am hopeful. You should not lose your hope, because when you have hope, it actually satisfies your thoughts, your ideas, and also your heart. And you will not be dejected, you will not become desolate, you will not become unhappy when you have a hope. Okay, and this hope is very, very important, because hope reaps whatever you want. So if you have hope, you can achieve anything, children. So keep hope in life. Losing hope means losing your life. So hope is very, very important. In very, very bad situation also, you should have that word remembered, that is hope. Because when you have hope, your confidence will be there, and when you are confident, courage will be there. And when these three things, like hope, confidence, courage, when these three elements you have as a steadfast, then success is your, children. Now let's get into the fourth paragraph. With gratitude I will reach my goal to touch the island of my soul. That's what gratitudeness, you should be grateful. Gratitude you should express to everyone, children, because gratitude means thanking. Because in your life, people help you to grow as a good human being. Okay, you should always allow the other human being, because nowadays, as a student, your parents, teachers, we tell you many things. Through this lesson also, I am telling you many things. But are you ready to change? Are you ready to transform? Are you ready to become a better human being than what you are? And we say and we become, but are you able to remember the people who do good for you? That is also very, very important. Be grateful, because they help you to reach your goal. Who are helping you to reach your goal? We teachers, your parents, yes or no, and your school. Lifelong you must be grateful to all of us. Every student must be very, very thankful to their teachers. You should never forget your teachers. Maybe sometime they might have bet you, they might have scolded you, but you should not, because they are repairing your life, children. And that's what they allow you to go inside who you are, to find your qualities and all that, children. That is most important. Hope this lesson is very clear for you, children. And now the glossary is here, the vocabulary, so which actually increases your language skills and so on. So in fits and starts, in sudden and irregular manner, petal, a delicate colored part of a flower, bestowed, gave, bowers, a pleasant place in the shade of the tree, nutritious, good, reaps, gives, a spirit, inner feeling or mood, gratitude, thankfulness, goal, something that you hope to achieve, right? So this is a wonderful lesson, children. Hope the whole unit is saying about be a good human being. That is very, very important. If you want to be a good human being, please avoid to be a selfish being. Please avoid being a selfish being. Don't become a selfish being. You should become a good human being, a good citizen, right? So this whole unit is concentrating that and teaching you to become a good. And what did you learn from selfish giant? What did you learn from the garden within? If you grow a good garden at home and clean the weeds and other things, your garden will be very nice, right? Thank you, children, for listening to this beautiful lesson. Hope today is the time, children, that you arise and become a good human being. Your thoughts must change. Your heart must change. Your mind must change, and so on. You should not become an angry person. You should not become a lazy person. You should not become a rude person with others. You should become a sensible person. You should become a positive person, a proactive person, a lovely person, a dearest person. Will you become? Is a good question. Be grateful, children, because people help you. Hope the lesson is very clear for you. In case if you have doubt, please don't forget, call to my number.